Hello children, hope you're all fine. Today we are going to see direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech or direct and indirect narration. Do you know what is a narration? Narration is an act of reporting the words of speaker. There are two ways of reproducing the words of a speaker. There are direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is also called quoted speech. Indirect speech is also called reported speech. Do you know what is direct speech? The actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. The exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. Direct speech repeats the exact words spoken. For example, Mary said, I am studying. Here, I am studying is a direct speech. Said is a reporting verb. Do you know what is indirect speech? Actual words of the speaker are transformed. It is usually used to talk about the past. So, we normally change the tense of the words spoken. If you want to change direct to indirect speech, we have to remove inverted commas, tenses change, pronouns change, and use of conjunction that. For example, Mary said that she was studying. In order to change direct to indirect speech, we have to follow some rules. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense will change. If the reported speech is the present tense, it will change it into past tense. If the reported speech is in present continuous tense, it changes into past continuous. If it is in the present perfect tense, it changes to past perfect tense. If it is in present perfect continuous tense, it changes into past perfect continuous tense. If it is in past tense, it changes into past perfect tense. If the reported speech is in past continuous tense, it changes into past perfect tense. If it is in the past perfect tense, it will not change, the same as such past perfect tense. In order to change direct to indirect, time and place also change. This changes into that, these changes into those, now, then, ago, before, today changes into that day, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, yesterday, the day before or the previous day, tonight, that night, next week, the following week, here, there. If the reported verb is in the past tense, we have to change tenses. But if the reported verb is in the present tense or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change. For example, the teacher says the earth is round. Here, the reporting verb is in present tense. So, the reported speech does not change the tense. The teacher says that the earth is round. Only they have removed inverted commas as well as they have added conjunction here. Another example, Sahana will say, I learn a lesson. Here they have used future tense in reporting verb. Sahana will say that she learns a lesson. Here I changes into she. and also they have removed inverted commas as well as they have added that. If the reported speech expresses a universal truth, proverbs, habitual action, scientific fact, the tense is not changed. Reported speech, the quoted in the inverted comma. The teacher said honesty is the best policy. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Proverb. Then second example. My father said, I go for a morning walk daily. This is a habitual action, regular work, routine work. My father said that he goes for a morning walk daily. Here, I changes into he. Third example. He said Ladakh is a cold desert. Fact, historical fact, geographical fact. He said that Ladakh is a cold desert. So, children, hope you have understood the rules and the changes in time and place. Thank you.